Hi, my name is Regina, and I'm from Madison, Connecticut, and I am a LeafFilter recent customer. I found out about LeafFilter. I got a mailing with a discount coupon, and it was something I'd been thinking about for a while. So I called, and within a day, my sales representative, Devin, came out to see me, and he was completely professional, really took the time to go over everything about LeafFilter and how the product differentiates from the other products on the market. We talked for a while. He gave me a price, and it was something that I was comfortable with, and I had done some homework, so I felt very secure about the price. We made an agreement, and within a day, they came out to install it. The installer was lovely. He came out early the next morning. I made him a cup of cappuccino. He spoke Spanish, so it was great because I got to speak some Spanish with him, and he had everything done by like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and you would have never known he was there. It was really immaculate. So since then, we've had a couple storms and no leaks, so I'm really happy about that.